Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Chevy Malibu. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, such as a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface to ensure all the old oil drains completely. Then, locate the oil drain plug, typically a 15mm bolt, and the oil filter housing underneath the engine. Now, place your oil drain pan directly beneath the drain plug. Using a 15mm socket or wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow ample time for all the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan. This ensures you remove as much contaminated oil as possible before adding new, clean oil. Once the oil has finished draining, remove the old oil filter and install a new one, making sure its gasket is lightly oiled and properly seated. Replace the drain plug, tightening it to 18 foot-pounds, and consider using a new gasket for a good seal. Finally, add the recommended type and amount of new engine oil through the oil fill cap, typically around 4 to 5 quarts depending on your engine. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a minute or two, then turn it off. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter, and verify the oil level using the dipstick. Remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil and filter at a local auto parts store or recycling center. Never pour it down a drain or in the trash. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.